Hey guys, I am doing something very different today in Kuala Lumpur. If you want to experience a little slice of Malaysian culture that is retrofitted with a touch of humor, a lot of elegance, and insane musical talent, come with me. I am Wander with Angela Carson. I am based in Kuala Lumpur. I put out videos a couple times a week on the best places to eat, drink, play, and stay. Today is actually chilling out as an expat, going behind the scenes inside the Ritz-Carlton. Whoa, like a whole lot of me. Woo, okay. With Angela. You probably don't know that I used to work for Guns N' Roses. I actually handled all the digital marketing and social media for one of their tours, toured with the band, had lots of fun. I also worked for Gem.
What's up, Malaysia?
She's beautifully talented. She writes, she plays, she sings like an angel and a goddess. Anyway, I have not done anything backstage or like a sound check in years. So I have friends who are in the band Tarakucha. They have invited me to come see what it's like to be at a sound check. They're about to sing Last Dance.
Okay, let's do last dance. Last dance.
Oh. Do you want me to do it for you?
It's okay, it's okay. Finally.
Very
These are the Puccini sisters.
Were you in Sydney and you just flew in?
Yes, I just flew in a few hours ago.
Yep.
Sizzling.
Ah, nice. I'm sorry, can I have the jazz hands one more time? I really like shooting video of musicians and chefs and all the little handwork and you know, the special things that you can capture with the video when you're up close that you don't see as an attendee at a concert or an event. The band let me hang out. I shot video. I actually ended up, I'm gonna put a video together for them behind the scenes as well, but it's cool. I'm also going to their show next week, which you should totally check out. I'm going to put a link down below to it. I've never seen them perform, and I won't be seeing them tonight because it's a private event that they're performing at. All right, bye guys. Have a good day.